Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Aisha Rashid Khan from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Today we are going to end our chapter 12, Employee Engagement Strategy. By the end of this lecture, students will be able to examine leadership, personal growth, and employee voice as engagement drivers. Number 2, evaluate practical strategies for enhancing engagement. Number 3, apply real-world, local and global examples of engagement strategies. Number 4, understand how organizations measure engagement and use results for improvement. Number 5, propose engagement enhancing actions for different organizational settings. Number 1, factors influencing engagement. The work itself. Employees are more engaged when their jobs are challenging, autonomous, and allow them to use their skills. And the example includes at Systems Limited, IT developers show higher engagement when assigned innovative projects rather than repetitive coding tasks. And another example includes Pixar animators thrive in creative roles that demand imagination and innovation. Number 2, the work environment. A supportive, safe, balanced, and inspiring workplace strongly boosts engagement. And examples include Packages Limited. Lahore promotes work-life balance with employer-friendly policies. Another example includes Google's open workspaces and collaborative culture enhance creativity and engagement. Number 3 point is the leadership. Line managers shape engagement by giving autonomy, recognition, and constructive feedback. And the example include Jazz Pakistan runs leadership programs that promote a coaching culture, encouraging managers to empower their teams. Another example include Satya Nadella's empathetic leadership, and Microsoft transformed its culture and engagement levels. Number 4 are the opportunities for personal growth, training, career development, and advancement. Opportunities are major engagement drivers. And the local examples include Descon Engineering invest in engineering training programs, leading to higher retention and engagement. Another example, Unilever's global leadership development programs build future leaders and sustain employee motivation. Number 5, opportunities to contribute employee voice. Engagement rises when employees feel heard and involved in decision making. And the example includes Mizan Bank gathers employee feedback to improve Islamic banking processes, making staff feel valued. Another example includes Toyota's Kaizen system, encourages employees worldwide to suggest daily processes improvements, embedding engagement into work culture. And the overall insight includes engagement is shaped by the job itself, the environment, leadership, growth opportunities, and employee voice. Together, these factors create a workplace where employees feel motivated, valued, and connected to the organization's mission. Next are the strategies for enhancing engagement. Number 1 include the work itself. Jobs should be designed to provide feedback, autonomy, and opportunities to use skills and abilities. Employees are more engaged when they feel their work is meaningful and under their control. Number 2, the work environment, a supportive culture, open communications, and respect for work. Life balance help employees stay motivated and healthy. Next are the positive environments, reduce stress and build long-term commitment. Leadership should be effective. Effective leaders act as coaches and mentors, guiding employees, managing performance, fairly and inspiring trust. Leadership is often the strongest driver of engagement. And the number 4, personal growth, providing continuous learning, training opportunities, and clear career pathways, allows employees to see a future within the organization. The next point is the growth fosters motivation and reduces turnover. Number 5 is the contribution. Platforms for employee voice and consultation includes surveys, suggestion schemes, team meetings, help staff feel valued. And the recognition, both formal and informal, reinforces positive behaviors and boost morale. And the case examples include local Pakistan K Electric launched employee suggestions schemes encouraging staff to share ideas. This led to increased safety innovations and stronger employee ownership or workplace improvements. And the example includes Lands and US retail company promotes the belief that happy employees create happy customers. By focusing on employee satisfaction and support, the company boosts both engagement and customer service quality. And the key insight includes engagement strategies are most effective when they are multi-dimensional, covering job design, environment, leadership, growth, and recognition, rather than relying on one-off initiatives. Measuring engagement is another point. Why measure? Engagement must be measured systematically to track progress, identify problem areas, and evaluate whether HR policies are effective. Without measurement, engagement strategies remain guesswork. And the methods of measurement includes number 1, Gallup survey, Q1 survey, and its international benchmarking, a globally recognized tool with 12 core questions about clarity, recognition, development, and teamwork. Number 1, enables companies to compare engagement scores internationally and benchmark against top performing organizations. Number 2, customized in-house surveys, context specific, designed to reflect local culture, values, and organizational priorities, provide detailed insights for targeted HR intervention. And the example include Habib Bank Limited conducts regular employee engagement surveys. The result help leadership adjust HR policies, improve work conditions, and addresses employee specific concerns. Another example include Gallup's Global Engagement Survey allows multinational companies to compare engagement across countries, track trends, and develop strategies tailored to different cultural contexts. And the key takeaways includes measuring engagement is not just about collecting data, it's about turning insights into actionable strategies for continuous improvement. Number 4 are the practical applications, and the scenario 1 is a textile firm in Faisalabad redesigns jobs to provide employees with greater autonomy and decision-making power. Workers now feel trusted and empowered, which leads to higher job satisfaction, lower turnover, and improved retention. This shows how work design directly affects engagement levels in local manufacturing industry. Number 2 scenario includes, and it belongs to USA. In a US healthcare system, management introduced structured nurse feedback channels. For example, regular meetings, suggestion systems, digital feedback apps. Nurses feel heard and valued, which not only improved their engagement and motivation, but also led to better patient care and outcome. This highlights how participation and voice strengthen both employees' engagement and organizational performance. Practical changes in job design and employees' voice systems can transform engagement into tangible improvement in performance, satisfaction, and outcomes. Understand how organizations measure engagement and use results for improvement. Why measure? Engagement is invisible unless tracked. Measuring helps identify gaps and track progress. Methods: Gallup's Q1 survey provides international benchmark. Customized in-house surveys focus on culture-specific issues. Using results, organizations analyze results and adjust HR policies, leadership styles, or recognition programs. For example, Habib Bank Limited uses surveys to refine HR practices. Gallup's Global Survey helps firms like IBM and Deloitte compare engagement across countries. And the key message includes measuring engagement provides data-driven insights for improvement, and what is the proposed engagement enhancing actions for different organization settings, and the concept no single action fits all. Strategies must be tailored to the organization's industry, culture and workforce. For example, by setting manufacturing, Pakistan textile industry provides safety, autonomy and fair pay to improve loyalty, and the IT sector System Limited Pakistan assigned challenging and innovative projects to retain young talent. Service industry Starbucks offer personalized recognition and benefits to boost pride and motivation. And the educational sector Beacon House, Pakistan, for example, encourage teachers' creativity in classrooms and recognize achievements. Why it matters? Customize strategies, respect employee needs and industry demands, creating sustainable engagement. And the conclusion is that leadership, growth and contribution are essential for engagement. Employees feel engaged when they are guided by inspiring leadership, given opportunities for personal and career growth, and feel that their contribution matters to the organization's success. For example, at Agro Foods, Pakistan leadership development programs and recognition systems motivate employees to keep learning and contributing. Number second, engagement strategies must align with organizational culture. Engagement initiatives only work if they fit the organization's value and culture. A tech company might focus on innovation-driven engagement, flexible work, while a bank might focus on stability, recognition, and teamwork. For example, Google designs engagement around creativity and collaboration, while Unilever emphasizes sustainability and purpose-driven work. Number third, measuring engagement actually provides feedback for continuous improvement. Regular surveys, focus groups, and feedback tools help organizations assess engagement levels and identify gaps. Without measurement, leaders cannot know whether strategies are effective or need adjustment. For example, Gallup's Q12 survey is widely used internationally to measure employee engagement and provide actionable insights. In conclusion, engagement is not a one-time initiative. It requires strong leadership, a supportive culture, and continuous measurement to ensure employees remain motivated, valued, and connected to organizational goals. Thank you.